It's time to go snowboarding. Right now it's about 5:30 in the morning. So let's go get ready.
You ready to shred today?
Oh yeah.
Give your hot dog call, dude.
Hot dog! Eat your hot dog!
Hey. Big goofball, bro. You look like the Ravens, dude.
That was a good one.
Or the Vikings.
That was a good one. Oh, okay.
All right. Oh, grab your board. It's gonna fall. Oh. There he is. What is this? What's going on here?
I'll hook you up, so hold on a second.
I'll do 20 as well. You don't make money in life if you don't take risks. Okay? He said I can hit it. I'ma hit it! Alright. No, I'm honestly kind of scared. It's kind of a big jump, dude. It is, dude. My heart's pounding. I don't know, man. Those look big. Are you gonna hit it?
Yeah, are you gonna hit it?
Dude. I gotta do it again. Shoot, son, that was scary. I felt like I got so freaking hot, dude. I gotta be more comfortable in the air. I'm gonna hit it again, more confidently. You know what I mean? Boom, stay still and be confident. Feel the air. Be in there! Woo! I know I probably sound like a douchebag right now, but still like the video. Subscribe, comment if you don't like this. Let me know. I'm actually a pretty cool dude, if you actually meet me, but. Dude, this is the jump right here. It looks so small from here. Actually, they made the kicker a little taller, but it looks so smooth right here. All right, round 2, let's go. Are you guys having fun? Are you having fun, Ross?
Yeah.
A hobo? Are you having fun, dude?
Yeah, dude.
Hey, hey. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Absolutely.
I'm having fun too. Baby! I did it! Dude, yes, dude! Oh!
Dude, I've like flailed my arms when I hit it.
Dude, I'm so stoked I cleared that. Oh my God, I was so scared. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Oh, never mind. I am so stoked. Doesn't look big from here, let me tell you, but when you're in front of it, boy, I feel like I was flying with the birds. Hey! That was sick. Oh, my Red Bull's still here. Oh, I need it. Come on. Ugh. Oh God! Oh! Damn!
Dude, I think I have a concussion though.
Oh, you hit your head?
I hit my head.
Careful, dude. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I think that wraps up this video. I'm so exhausted. It's about the end of the day and I'm ready to go home, dude, and chill. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, support my dream, and hopefully I just get better at this stuff. What a day, huh? If you guys don't get outside, you should. And that's it.